August 26th, 2016.
Welcome! You're very excited to get a vest. Let me show you what I got. This give me a few secs. This is my notebook. Let me tell you. This is, you have to color the circles green and the hexagons yellow. And this is our motion thing. You got to use crayons for these two things. And pencils for all of these. And it's someone's birthday today. And I got this dino cord. Cool, huh? Now, the only thing I'm missing is my lunchbox. Where is it, Mom?
Your lunchbox is in the kitchen on the counter so the dog doesn't tear anything up.
Okay, you made the kitchen. Excuse me, doggies. This is my lunchy boxy. Good, Daisy. I know you're very excited for. You mess up, dogs! Stop! Scat! Scat! Go! Go! That's my video! Scam it up! I said scam it up!
Mom, open.
Okay.
Open it.
This is a very exciting day. Look what my brother made. Cool, huh?
Put it up here, please.
You know, guess what? Almost done with video. Jack and Daisy, stop right now. Hey, little brother, I'm going to put more money in there. Okay, now you. And we'll go.